Don't want people knowing when you were last online on WhatsApp? We can help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. To hide your last seen status on WhatsApp, open the app and tap Settings in the bottom menu. Now select Account. Tap Privacy. Now select Last Seen. Here you can choose to allow your last seen status to be visible to everyone, just your contacts, or nobody. If you select Everyone, anyone who looks at your profile will be able to see when you were last seen. If you select My Contacts, anyone not on your contact list will not be able to see your last seen time. If you select Nobody, no one, even your contacts, will be able to see when you were last seen on WhatsApp. That's all it takes to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.